So these girls record lots of videos for TikTok, which are always in portrait mode. And now they want to upload their videos on YouTube as well. But a YouTube video needs to be in landscape mode, which means that when a portrait video is uploaded on YouTube, big chunky black bars appear on both sides of the video because it was recorded in portrait mode. So how can you avoid these black bars from appearing on your video? And what if you already have a landscape video, but you want to hide some things in your background? Well, let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome to Filmora MVP YouTube channel. Here, we teach you the latest editing tips, camera tricks, and filmmaking techniques. In this video, we're going to show you 3 ways to make the background of your videos blurry using Filmora 10. So keep watching this video till the end. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Make sure that the Filmora 10 video editor is downloaded and installed on your computer. We have attached a link in the description below from where you can easily download and install it. Let's get started. Let's start with a video taken in portrait mode. Open Filmora and go to Import. And select Import Media Files. Choose your video and then click on Open. Now drag and drop the footage into the timeline. As you can see, the video has a black background from both sides. To add the blurry background, go to the Effects tab and on the left sidebar, click on Filters, and then select Background Blur. Here you'll find different styles of background blur. You can choose whichever you want. For the sake of our tutorial, I'm going to use Basic Blur. Just drag and drop it above your footage into the timeline. Adjust the effect duration according to the footage duration, and here you go! Your video is ready. Now, let's blur the background of a landscape video. Import the footage into Filmora, drag and drop it into the timeline. Go to the Effects tab, and on the left sidebar, click on Utility. Here you'll find 2 effects, Tilt Shift Circle and Tilt Shift Linear. You can use any of these depending upon the subject of your video. Let's drag and drop Tilt Shift Circle into the timeline and place it above the footage. Double-click on the effect in the timeline to adjust the specs such as size, intensity, position, and rotation. Adjust its duration according to the footage length, and you're good to go. Using this method, you have to make sure that the subject of your footage doesn't change its position in the frame. Now let's move towards the third method. It is the best method for you if you have footage with a moving subject. To get started, import your footage into Filmora and drop it into the timeline twice, making them like a sandwich. Then click on the Effects tab, and from left sidebar, select AI Portrait. Here you'll find Human Segmentation Effect. Now drag and drop it into the upper footage. If you haven't purchased these effects, hit Try It to use it. Now move the top video clip 1 track above to make space for the blur effect in between. Speaking of the blur effect, let's quickly go to Effects tab, click on Filters from the left sidebar, and select Common. From here, I'll choose Mosaic Full Effect. Drag and drop it onto the middle track. Adjust the duration according to the length of the footage, and we're done. By the way, in the Effects panel, you can type the name of any effect mentioned in this video in the search bar and hit Enter. Filmora will automatically find it for you. So now you have learned 3 simple ways to make the background of your videos blurry using Filmora 10. Try it yourself and let us know about the outcomes in the comment section below. We would love to read about your experience. Give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more awesome tutorials about video editing in Filmora. Hope to see you in our next video. Till then, bye!